Hey guys, so I wanted to show you my planner I got, which I'm really excited about. Says, love what you do. But hold on, I'm gonna flip the camera. So this is what it looks like. And I created this little pocket to put stuff in it. That's my pen and color coding thing. So you have, this is June's, and then I have like birthdays highlighted, and then that's my dad's surgery. And so it came with like a bonus couple months. So it came with May, but obviously it's past May, and then June, so I just started it. And then that's July, but I'm gonna use it for school and stuff. And I already have some things filled out, like when I go back to school and stuff. So I'm super excited, and here's all my wishy tape that I plan to use, or whatever it's called. But yeah, I'm excited. I got it at Walmart, of course.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name's Cassidy. My name is me. Hey guys, so the camera quality, let me see if I can wipe this a little bit at least. So I'm here with Elias.
Hey.
We went on a walk. The weather was great. There's a breeze, but as you can tell, that is no longer the case. And y'all know how I feel about rain and how much I love rain. And so now I need to go work out, and I have this dilemma of, do I change to work out only to waste 2 sets of clothes, or do I just hope I dry out within the next hour and a half and just work out in these clothes and feel super gross and then take a quick shower afterward? But you know, we'll see what I do.
And the rain just stopped right now.
No, it didn't. It's still raining.
It
just doesn't feel like it's as bad because we're so wet at this point. But no. Yeah, no, I'm not crying. I was crying last night when I watched the Big Bang Theory finale. It was stupid. Not the finale, me crying. But it was so worth it. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys that it's raining and I hate rain. But yeah.
Hey guys, so it's Wednesday. I seem to only film on Wednesday. I don't know. Anyway, I'm working on learning Spanish. I took it in high school and everything, but yeah, I don't remember anything. So I thought this summer I'm going to learn Spanish. But along with that, I'm going to learn to use my left hand, which when I broke it, I learned to write with my left hand sometimes, but now I'm going to like perfect it, or try to. So I'm learning Spanish and with my left hand. So I bought this on Amazon. I'm going to flip the camera. It's a starter Spanish book for pre-K and first grade, but you know, gotta start somewhere. So this is like greetings or whatever. So this is with my left hand. Literally looks like a kindergartner did it, but it's fine. Some of the stuff is so basic, but I was trying to like practice actually like writing circles and stuff and like coloring. All of that, and it looks so bad. That's supposed to be a cup. Whatever. And so then it has like some really cool, like, hold on. I have it sectioned. So yeah, this is my alphabet. You know, fantastic. I have it all organized to learn. I'm going to flip the camera again. Okay. But yeah, so it's really cool. I got another one too, and it's like 1st through 3rd or whatever, so I'll try that later. Obviously, once I finish that one. Some of them I won't use, like all the things, because like I said, it's super easy. Obviously, because it's kindergarten, but it helps. Like the coloring helps, like with me using my left hand, because I don't use it, obviously, which is really frustrating because my right hand knows how to do everything, and I know how to do it, but it's like my left hand can't do it yet. So we'll see. And this is my notebook for all my Spanish and writing. Here I was practicing writing my name. We're getting there. But here, I'm going to show you my bulletin board. I made all these cards to remember the colors and everything. And that's with my left hand writing. And then my shapes. It's so funny. And I also have all my note cards with like the word and then drawing a picture. This is my house. I obviously need to work on my squares. But yeah, so that is my summer goal. I'm going to flip the camera again. So I'm super excited for that. And that's, yeah, my goals for the summer really are just to kind of work on Spanish, learning with my left hand. And then also, I've been going to the gym a lot more, which is great. And then also, fun thing, I got this at Walmart because I don't have crowns or I left them at school. I'm not really sure, but it's awesome. They have so many colors. Anyway, that's my update for the week. Or for the day, whatever. Hey guys, so it's Thursday? Yeah, whatever, I don't know. Anyway, this is my Spanish Lion King book that I found at a thrift store for like 50 cents, 75 cents, something like that. They're really cheap, and it's like hardcover, so it's really nice and it's in great shape. But it's in, obviously, Spanish, and so then I can read it and learn. And so I may only be able to quote Lion King by the end of the summer, but it's okay. Yeah, that's my update. Also, I got a new wallet from Target. I mean, just from Target, so it's not super interesting, but I know I didn't buy a Walmart, but yeah, I had been looking for a wallet for a while, and I told me I was going to get color. I didn't get color. I mean, it has a pattern. I don't usually have patterns, so that's pretty, like, a step forward, just saying. Anyway, yeah, those are my cool things I bought. I should not be shopping because I'm not working right now because of COVID and moving, so I need to stop. So can encourage me to stop buying things.
Hey guys, today is Friday and I went to work, worked out, and I'm actually working on a project with a couple of friends of mine for Black Lives Matter, but kind of in kind of in partnership with our school, in the sense that we want to be able to create a place here at our university where we show our support to this cause, that as Christians and just as brothers and sisters, that we really show solidarity. And I'm currently indoors because we've been outside and the temperature dropped today, and I think I'm gonna get sick, so I'm taking a break so I don't get sick. But this is what my friends are doing right now. Wow, I just realized I got really close to the camera. That's Rachel. You guys have seen her in the past in our other vlogs. We're doing chalk art. That's Johanan, a new friend of mine that I made recently. Guys, look, this is what I did. I colored, because that's the only thing I know how to do. But I have escaped the warm just so that I could show them what we're doing.
What up, people?
Say hi to our whole 61 subscribers.
61 subscribers. That's impressive. That's more than mine.
Oh, thank you, thank you. We don't do it for the views. We do it because we want to share to the world how we do idiotic things for fun. But guys, this is all of Rachel's handwriting. And I just want to say, she has better handwriting now than I will ever. I call my handwriting Founding Father's handwriting because you can't read anything I write. But yes.
I'm sure your handwriting's awesome.
Thank you. We're using the verse Amos. Wait, is that how you say it?
Maybe.
Amos. Guys,
We don't even know.
been a Christian for 20-something years. No, not 20-something years. I'm only 20 years old. 20 years, and I don't know how to pronounce the books of the Bible. This is the verse we're using. Something along the lines of let justice roll. Huh? What's the verse again? Let justice roll down.
Like. Wait. Go back and just read it, because I'm forgetting it.
Justice roll on like a river, righteousness like an ever-flowing stream.
Ah, there we go.
14 words.
You know what? 14 words is a lot. It's a lot. It really is. Anyway, I'm gonna sign off for now. I thought I vlog because I only vlogged once this week. I don't even remember what for. But you know, it's my side hustle. My side hustle that I don't get paid for. But you know. Hey guys, today is Sunday, which means it is outro day, and I'm by myself today because I forgot to film an outro earlier, and so it's kind of late now, and so calling Cassidy, time's not lining up, which is all good. Happens, long distance vlogging, you know. But thank you for watching our vlog. I think it's a decent amount of footage this week. I remember to vlog a couple times, so hopefully it's good. Make sure you like and subscribe, and if you haven't, hit that bell button. There's a bunch of other videos you can watch this week. Not this week. I mean, yes, you can watch them this week, but they weren't filmed or uploaded this week. They're all videos from here and there, so make sure you go check those out. And if you stick around, we will have a video that comes up on Friday. Not exactly sure what it will be quite yet. Maybe I'll put in a pre-filmed one, maybe I'll film a new one. Who knows? That YouTube life. I don't really pre-prepare things. So, shout out for this week is, this is technically Cassidy's job. So as much as I'm good at doing a bunch of other stuff, this is not my area of expertise. Shout out for this week. Be right back. Let me go ask Cassidy. Okay, I'm back. No response from Cassidy. She's playing games with her family right now, so understandable. But shout out for this week is Elias. Thank you for watching our videos, but not following us. Or actually, you follow us on our social media, but you're not subscribed to our channel yet? Question mark. It's okay. You're supporting us somehow, in some way. It's all good. It's not like we do this for the views. No, we just do this because we enjoy it. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye!